What's up, YouTube.com? It's John McGarrett's. I just want to make this tips channel of if I were to if I ever make it, I would suggest that new YouTubers train this way. So that's kind of the idea here is like how would I start a new YouTube channel to get where I'm at faster. So what I'm talking about is that um, in the last 3-4 days, I dove into the shorts. I'm doing shorts and longs because little backstory. So I do long form content. I do long form content on 20 channels roughly. Sometimes I don't get to there. So I do about 8 to 10 videos a day, long form content here. There's on my backlog of just videos. As you can see, like this one's got 14, it looks like. And this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or that was 16. This one's got that one's got 14. You know what I mean? Like I got a backlog of a lot of videos. I work on a lot of long forms. Okay. So then I wanted to increase my performance, not performance, but I wanted to increase my what you may call it, my YouTube presence. And at work, I discovered that like I could make short form content while I'm on my breaks because on my break I just sit there and doom scroll anyway. So that being said, my views pumped like crazy. Okay, I know not all views are the same, but I noticed that I'm getting more subs. So ever since I started doing this, which was about here, if we go to content shorts, I think December 5th is when I tried a few of them, and then 9th is when we'll say December 8th is when I really started to pump them. So when I started doing that, the 5th, the 4th, okay, we'll say the 4th. But since the 4th, so in 9 days, I got 11 subs. Okay, so that's more than this channel has been seeing for a while. This is kind of just like an experimental channel. Anyways, I'm trying to get monetized in all of them, but this one is just documenting my YouTube journey. I'm not like making crazy content that's going to be. I just want my journey documented. But since I started pumping into shorts content, because this is also experimental, so I don't try risky things on this channel like I do, or I try risky things on this channel to then apply to my other channels. Like here, this is my main, like doing or my best performing one, where I apply a lot of the stuff that I learn. And as you can see, I do pretty good here. And like, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a good channel. This channel is only like 6 months old. I want to say it's 6 months old. My first real video was May 26th. May 26th, which is what month? I don't even know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 7th month, right? So on the 7th month of this channel, brand new YouTuber or whatever, we're doing okay. 350 subs, a lot of watch time hours, yada yada yada. We're almost to the first stage monetization. We're about halfway to the second stage. So we're doing fine here. And this would probably be monetized if I didn't have all the other channels. Then my other channel here, same thing. You know what I'm saying? Like the analytics are a little bit more dead on this one because I'm not getting into a lot of I've been kind of neglecting this. So the channel's slowly dying off. But anyway, whatever. Not important. So what I would do is I would recommend. So if you are a brand new YouTuber, you're going to start YouTube and you were to get to where I'm at, let's say in 1 month, I would say in 1 month you can get to where I'm at, 127 subs, okay? Easily. And that would be doing longs and shorts. So if you have, this would be a lot easier for you to adapt as a long form content creator already. But so I'm kind of freestyling this. I may make I'm going to make better guides in the future. This isn't the end all be all. I just want to document it as I learn it live. Kind of what this channel is about is documenting it when I learn it live. But I would say because you don't know how to keep someone's attention, let's go to my normal analytics videos. Average view duration. So because my average view duration is 135, I should only make content that is a minute 35. But if your average view duration, let's go to a weaker channel I have, like Roblox here. I'm diving into a new niche. So it's like I don't play this game like that, but I'm trying to just push myself to do things that aren't very comfortable for me. So my view duration is 43 seconds here. So I shouldn't make any content that's longer than 43 seconds, right? So then where would I go to make content that's 43 seconds? And that would be shorts, okay? So if I went to shorts and I just started clipping it up, I could start distilling and condensing from 43 seconds and trying to get 100% watch time on 43 seconds. But like, for instance, the progression on my shorts views kind of went like this. When I started making shorts, there's a lot of them. I did a lot of testing. Okay, so yesterday I posted 102 shorts. The day before I did 40. Whatever. I went hard. Okay, so this is good data. Let's see. Need some longer ones. I did longer ones, so this one's longer. But there's even longer ones that got views. 54 seconds here. Here we go. 172 on a minute 13. Let's look at the analytics on it. Reach, 26 viewed, 73 swiped away. What's the average view duration? 15 seconds. So based on this logic, my views should be 15 seconds long, okay? Because I can only hold your attention for 15 seconds. That's what this says, right? Some people watch a little bit longer, but most people watch for 15 seconds. That's what an average is. But when I started to do that, let's go back. And it happened accidentally. I didn't know that. This is a new realization after doing it. I was just experimenting, and I was just setting goals for number of videos per day, and I just wanted to do 100 videos in one day. And I did them on my 2 15-minute breaks and in the morning before work, like 5 minutes before work. So that forced me to go like this one, 6 seconds, right? Analytics, engagement, average view duration. I got them to watch it twice, 6 seconds, okay? So, boom. This I did correctly. I did this correctly, okay? In a 6-second video, I got 30 minutes watch time too. So 6 seconds, bro. And what was the idea? The reason you are stuck. And I said, it's because your fault, or something like that. I don't remember what I said.
The reason you're
Oh my God, sorry.
stuck is because you're waiting for motivation. Do it now, feel it later.
Boom. Easy. Right? So that was my format. I did my form. I created a format. I invented a format for myself. I stuck to it. I used it to generate 100 ideas. And then I just spit them into the universe and then tried out a bunch of different stuff. So there's like why you should marry, why rules rule, how to make your job like a game, don't medicate your pain, why trolls troll, first step making money, some Christian content, stop listening to other people and be the best you can be, so motivational. Time does not exist. So this was like an out there thought I was having. So just everything I was thinking about, because I think about a lot of stuff. I was just writing it down, creating short forms. But anyway, the main premise of this is not to gas myself up. What I would suggest is if your watch time is less than a minute, I would say move to short form and then try to get 100% watch time on your shorts while you're don't stop making your long form. And then what that's going to do for your channel is you're going to go way up in views. Okay. So when I did my yearly math based on this, so if I did this every day, I only needed, I looked at my videos. I only needed to post 25 of those videos yesterday to get these views. So 25 shorts a day that are 10 seconds each are not a lot. That's 250 seconds. That's 4 minutes of labor, okay? So it's probably like half an hour of labor because I'd have to think of the ideas and stuff like that. But we got this. Oh, wow, it's going up a little bit because when I first did the adding before it was, so I got up 10 more. Anyway. But 1 million views a year on top of your long form content, it's going to be a lot more exposure for your channel, okay? That's all I'm saying. Plus my subs went up, your subs go up, earn goes up faster. You use short form to get subs, is essentially where I'm at. Short form to get subs, long form to get your watch hours. And this is not a good representation of that, because like I said, this is my experimental channel. This is my main, where I just kind of say whatever I want. 174 videos, okay? So that's my tutorial. Hope you guys have a nice day. Hopefully this is useful to somebody. And if you like it, please subscribe. Peace out, dog.